Okay, here's a short introduction to some of the resources that we have available here. So here we are in Google Classroom. And for the most part, I use Google Classroom just for the odd announcement and mostly just for marks. So whenever we have a test, I will post the marks there and you'll be able to see what you have, usually very shortly within a day or so of a test being written. What is in Google Classroom here is a link to the web page, the course web page, and this is where I put most of the material. This is where we'll spend most of the time when we're trying to look at what notes, homework, and solutions there are. So here we are on the main page, got the welcome letter, course outline, expectations, things like that. Up here at the top, we've got the various units. Now, having just completed the review unit, you can see that the days, each individual day is listed by a row, and the columns represent in order the notes, the solution to the notes, the homework, and the solution to the homework. So this particular unit consisted of 8 days of work, followed by the unit test. And then we'll go into Unit 1 starting next week. Have a little unit outline showing what the various days are. And once again, note, solutions, homework, solutions. What we also have here is a quiz on the 5th day, and each day has a video associated with it. So let's say, as an example, go to Unit 4, and if we click on one of these video icons, we'll have a short video of me basically just going through all the questions of that day's note. So I'll just click on it. Today we're going to look at a special type of factoring, and here you can hear my something called the difference of squares. In this example, given that day's two binomials, a plus b times a minus b. I'll click a little further on. Square root of 16 is 4. Is x squared and 16 separated by a subtraction sign? Yes. Skip ahead a little bit more. So square root of 121 is 11. Highlight what's going on into our brackets. My hope being that put a negative and a positive. Visually, this might explain a negative. Things a little clearer. There's our answer factored. So if you do happen to be away for a lesson, you can simply, in these examples, I'll stop this for the time being, you can just go to that day's lesson and catch up on what's going on. And if you are there and perhaps you just didn't understand completely what was going on, you can review it at your own pace. And then again, at the end of each unit, we'll have a test. When the test has been marked, what I'll do is I will send an email to your parents with just a little update. It'll show what the mark was on that particular test and also give you a running average of what your mark is so far. So I hope this little overview gives you a little bit of insight and that you'll make good use of these resources.